Okay, now this is interesting. So normally I have two different kinds of grain on hand. I have just plain hay stretcher, which looks like this. It's the smaller sort of green pellets, like that, light colored, dry. And usually I have on hand a senior feed. Oops, let me see if I can do that. A senior feed, which is has a lot more moisture in it. It's much darker brown. It is kind of sticky, and it's for my older horse, and it also helps with top line development. So I usually keep that on hand. I sent my son to Big R to pick up grain for me, and I was just emptying it into my bin, and I was thinking, gosh, this doesn't look the same as what it normally does. It doesn't look like it has nearly as much molasses in it, or it's dry. It's not like kind of sticky and clumpy. What's going on? It looks like this. It looks an awful lot like my hay stretcher. Almost exactly the same, except it's just a little darker green. So I thought, that's weird. And I went and looked at the bag that he got, and he got, instead of the senior, he got Perform. See that? Perform, which is not for older horses. It does not have the same kind of sugars. Same kind of calorie support. So I guess showing you my different grain types isn't really working, other than pointing out how I figured out that it's wrong. My solution, I guess, is going to be to put Karo syrup on top of Sunny's feed, and I'll give her the Perform, because it does have, you know, more to it than the hay stretcher, and I'll put some Karo syrup on top of it so that she does get those extra calories, because she really needs it. She's a hard keeper, and that's how I'll fix that until we go shopping again. But that is how I looked at the different kinds of grain and knew what was the problem.